Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the country in the Bangkok Airways application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button. And at the Global Settings section, click on the Country button. And here, if you scroll down, you can just look for your country. And once you found it, just click on that and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.